Alright guys, so let's create a frame. For the width we can choose 250 pixels, for the height 100 pixels, and I will apply 10 pixels for the corner radius. And let's create the first frame. I will apply this color and then write a text with it. So just random text. And I'm using SF Pro display typography. I'm gonna select bold for this first line of text, and then for the subtext we can choose regular and make it a little bit smaller as well. And then, since we are in this situation, we can create an auto layout frame with these two text layers. So we right click on it, add auto layout, and I will apply a distance of 4 pixels. Okay, so this one will be aligned to the center, as we can see. And now we can create 2 more variants of this frame. The second one I will apply this color, and on the third one this green. And also in this case we select all the variants, the frames, and we right click on the selection, and then we create a frame selection. Okay, so we can now enlarge a little bit this frame holding the 3 cards. We can do this by enlarging the selection by pressing Ctrl or Command and Alt on the keyboard, and then with the left click on the mouse we can adapt it as we want. So once we have enough space for the frame, we can duplicate this frame and start creating the variants that we need. So we can select the first one, press K on the keyboard to scale, and we can maybe write 1.1. Okay, we don't need to enlarge it that much, just a little bit to show the effect. Okay, once we have done this, we can select the other 2 cards and we apply an effect. We can apply a layer blur, and then we create other variants. So this one, okay, it will come back to the normal side. So I think if we put 0.9, it will go back to the original sides. And then on those 2 variants, we hide the layer blur effect. Alright, so now we can do the same with the second tile. So let's select the second tile and let's press K on the keyboard, 1.1 for the scaling option. And now we select the first tile and third tile. Sorry. Alright, we select those tiles. We create effect in this case as well, layer blur. And there we go. So let's do the same with the third tile. So this one will go back to 0.9 scaling value, and then on these 2 we will hide for a second the layer blur, and we press K again, 1.1 scaling option for the third card, and these 2 will go back to the layer blur. Alright. So as you can see, we have covered all the variants that we need. Now we can select all the frames and create a component set out of it. So as we can see now, all these variants are placed within a component set, and we can also create a property and give names to the variants in order for us to understand and not get lost later on. So this one can be the default option. This one can be first card, second card, and third card. And as a property name, we can call it effect. As effect. Alright. So now let's start prototyping this component. We select the first variant, we switch to prototype view, and now we start linking the first card. So we select the first card, and we go towards the variant where the first card is highlighted. So on the interaction, we will choose while hovering as a trigger option. Then make sure that you select Smart Animate as an animation, and then you can explore different types of Smart Animate options. I will choose Ease Out and I will keep it to 300 milliseconds. Alright, so now we do the same with the second card, and we will keep it to while hovering, and as you can see, the property has effect is applied to the second variant, as we've done it before. Then Smart Animate, Ease Out, 300 milliseconds. Now on the third card, we'll go towards the third variant. As you can see, third, while hovering, Ease Out, 300 milliseconds. Alright, now we can also give a name to the component set, cards. Now if we head to the assets, choose local assets, and then write cards. So you can just drag and drop it into your canvas. Now what we can do is to add this component set to a frame. Alright guys, so let's play the prototype, and as you can see it works, and we have just created a simple cards effect in Figma. Thank you for watching and follow me for more tutorials.